What's up, Boss Lady Crew? Back with another video. Y'all, this pasta salad I made, get into it. You gotta make it. I'm gonna start off with this full pan. Y'all, get this size. If you're making it for like a big family, get that size pan. Or a party. I already boiled the noodles. I boiled the noodles off camera. You're gonna get you a cucumber. Cut that whole cucumber up. These is the rotini noodles. Rotini noodles, 2 boxes. Cut that cucumber up. You gonna mix it all through there. That's what I did first, y'all. Get you 2 tomatoes. Cut them tomatoes up. There you go. Ooh, look at that, baby. Mix it in. You gotta mix them tomatoes up. You're gonna take your orange bell pepper. You're gonna cut that bell pepper up. Mix that in. I know y'all like Simone. Ooh, it's about to be banging. It's about to be banging, y'all. This is pasta salad Simone way. My mom showed me how to make this pasta salad. Get you a red pepper. Whew. I'm trying to tell y'all. Mix it up. Then you're going to take you a can of olives. And you're going to pour that can of olives in there. It's your preference. Whatever. If you don't eat something in a pasta salad, skip that. You don't got to have it. It ain't going to make it taste different. Less different or anything. It's gonna taste the same. Still good, baby. And you're gonna mix that red onion up, that cauliflower. You're gonna mix up, baby. And I'm trying to tell y'all, like, vegetarians can eat it, vegetarians can eat it, vegans can. After that cauliflower, y'all gonna add in that broccoli, baby. Get you some broccoli. And yeah, y'all, even my fakeitarians, they can make this. You feel me? Y'all heard me. I said fakeitarians, the ones that be at Popeyes on the Tuesday night getting that special. Get your green pepper and chop you up a green pepper and put it in there. Y'all know the ones I'm talking about. Them fakeitarians trying to follow trends. Get y'all some cheese. Put that cheese in there, baby. This pasta salad be slamming. You could put chicken in there. You could put shrimp in there. You could put whatever you want to put in your pasta salad. It's still going to be banging. Get you some pasta salad seasoning. Yes, y'all. You can go to Walmart and get that seasoning. So mix all that seasoning in there. And then when y'all done mixing that seasoning in there real good, y'all, this pasta salad is like, you got to be careful when you're stirring it in because there's a lot of stuff in there. Now get you some Parmesan cheese. You only need 2 tablespoons of it. Mix that in. Italian dressing, y'all. Damn near the whole bottle. I'm trying to tell y'all. And mix that in. It's going to be so good. You can stop right here if you want to. Like I said, this pasta salad made Simone way. And some of that honey mustard. Oh my God. Half of that bottle of mustard. Honey mustard. It's going to be so good. And I know y'all like Simone. That is a lot of sauce. No. It's so good once you taste it. It's so good. I'm telling you, I make this every holiday around this time. 4th of July, Memorial's Day, around barbecue season. So, and it disappeared. Thousand Islands. Get y'all some of that. Yes. And it's so good. And everybody, it disappeared. That's why I got to make a big pan of it. And I forgot to tell y'all, I boiled the noodles off camera. And what I did was, I put a big pot of cold water on the stove. And I put some salt in there. And some butter. And I boiled the noodles for about 25 minutes. Close to 30. Look at that pasta salad, y'all. So good.